wonderful things. I'm coming to you from beautiful Barbados. My name is Chantel Salmon, and today we're going to make watercress soup. Okay, now we're going to start with some dried, what we call dry coconut. And this dry coconut means that the jelly inside is hard enough that now you have to mix it with water, strain it to get your coconut milk, and that's the base of this this particular soup. So I cut up some of the dry coconut there, and I'll cut up the rest. Okay, cut it in small enough pieces that your blender cup can handle it. Add it into your blender cup. Easy peasy. Alright, so I'm putting in the whole coconut, and I like it very creamy and rich, so that means I'm not going to put in a lot of water. Okay, so this is 1.5 to 2 cups of dry coconut, and we're going to put in 2 cups of fresh spring water. Okay, use whatever water you have at the time, but this is a really good soup to try. Alright, so once you get that done, you want to strain it. Alright, and once you get it strained, you're going to add it back into the cup, that fresh milk. So you got a nice, thick, rich, beautiful milk here. Okay? Sometimes these blender cups get a little loose on the bottom, so they let out some of their juices. Alright? We keep the cap, and we can use this for something else later. Okay? If we're making cookies or putting it to rice or anything of that nature, this is what you can use. Okay? So we get another blender cup. Take our milk, and we put our fresh coconut milk in there. So guess watching, and we are doing a watercress soup. Okay, so we got our fresh coconut milk, and now we have our watercress. So watercress is extremely nutritious, good source of iron. So this is something now that you can add to the milk. Okay, and you're doing 2 cups. Okay, so you got about 1.5 cups of milk to 2 cups of fresh watercress, and then we're going to add the other ingredients. Okay, now the other ingredients are tamari. I like using tamari because it gives you your sodium from a nice rich source, and we're going to put in 2 tablespoons. Here we go. And we're going to put in a little bit of olive oil, fresh olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Okay. Now some of the other things we have to put in it, we're putting in 1/4 of a red onion, 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Well, this is actually pink Himalayan salt, but you can use sea salt as well. Okay. We're going to put in some chili flakes. Now we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. It's not heaping or anything, but 1 tablespoon. That's all you need. Okay. We're going to put in 1 cup of sea moss gel. Now this is extremely nutritious. You want to use this if you're having any joint problems. This really helps with the cartilage and to build it back. And I like to put in some nutritional yeast to get that creaminess. So we're going to put in 2 heaping tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Okay? Alright, so we're good to go now. And we're going to add the cover, and we're going to blend it up. So once everything is blended well, you want now to put it in a nice, we're gonna put it in pepper. I love to put it in peppers because you can eat the pepper afterwards. So we're gonna put some in the pepper. And then I have a nice bowl here that we're gonna put some in. To taste. Okay. Now this is broccoli sprouts. I like to garnish with the broccoli sprouts because broccoli sprouts are very nutritious. They're about 10 times more nutritious than broccoli itself. So if you get the opportunity to use broccoli sprouts in your watercress soup, you definitely should make sure and try it.